Hi everyone, Penny Johnson here. In this video, we're just going to take a look at how to log into WIDS. So you can see from my screen, I've already logged in to the Madison College Blackboard site and I advanced to our course, our workshop information, course design and assessment. From the announcements page, should be near the top. You may have to scroll down, look for logging into WIDS, and it's the first link where it says you can log in here. I'm going to click right on that link. You log in with your standard Madison College username and password. So it's the same information you used to log into Blackboard. It's the exact same information. If you have any trouble logging in, of course, you have to make sure that your login information works. So if you used the information to log into Blackboard, but you could not log into WIDS, then email me and we'll figure out how to get it corrected. I just ask that you be diligent and make sure you're using it correctly before you contact me, because we have to go through a whole process to reset your WIDS information. But then there it is. If you have used WIDS in the past, you'll see that we have a new interface. It looks new, so you got to kind of get used to the new format. When searching for information in WIDS, it's my opinion that you more accurately find information when you use the catalog number. That's the 8-digit number to your class, rather than the title or the keyword or the name. I have better results when I use that 8-digit catalog number. But that's it. Let me know if you have any trouble logging in. All right, thanks.